guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I have a little Dollar Tree frame that had one of the sayings inside that says be grateful always, and it's wooden, and I want to turn that into like a farmhouse French country DIY that talks about fresh flower market, okay? And I will include the free printable in the description box below. There's 3 to choose from, and I chose the one that looks sort of like a chalkboard. So, and you can make this if you don't have a Cricut with just printing them out on either on cardstock or the Avery shipping labels. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer screen. So I'm going to go to the circle with the plus for new project, and that will put us on our canvas. Now I'm going to go to images over here on the left, click on that, and then here in the middle where it's green, I'm going to click Browse All Images. Then I'm going to go back over here to the left where it says ownership, click on that and upload it because I've already uploaded mine. And this is the one that I wanted to do. They have, like I said, they have 3 different types, and you can choose 5 by 7 or 8 by 10. And in my case, I just made it smaller with my Cricut. So when you click on it, it puts a green box around it. We'll go to the right bottom corner, insert images. And you'll see this one is going to come in pretty large, okay? So what I want to do, I'm going out from size. There's a little lock. I'm going to unlock it. And zooming in doesn't help you see at the top. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to backspace this, and I'm going to put 5.0 for the width and 5.0 for the height, and that will fit perfectly in my little Dollar Tree frame. Now it looks really small here, but it's not that small. So you'll see over here in the layers column, it will be a cut then print. If you don't have a Cricut, you will just print yours out from your computer onto your printer. Okay, we're going to make it right top corner. It's going to put it on our mat, and then I'm going to hit continue right bottom corner, and I'm going to send it to the printer, and I have my Cricut set on custom, and I'm going to leave the bleed on, and I'm using the Avery sticker sheets, so I'm just going to cut it on the washi setting. And I think I'll add a little bit more pressure to mine because I really do need to change my blade. So it's printing out, so the next time you see me, we'll make this adorable little farmhouse sign with the Dollar Tree frame. Okay, here's the little sign from the Dollar Tree that I had. It's one of these, just like this. Just pop this off. You can paint this or not. I don't even think I'm going to paint it. And here's this free printable. I think it is adorable. And like I said, there's 2 others to choose from with different backgrounds. And I just put mine on the Avery sticker sheets. When I load them in my printer, I have to load them upside down with the side that has the writing up, okay? Okay, I have my light grip mat here. I'm just going to put this right on here. This is such an easy little DIY to make. And I'm going to load it in my Cricut and hit the blinking arrow to load it, and then the blinking C to cut. And what it's going to do, it's going to read these registration marks, and then it's just going to cut out the square. It's so simple. You can do so much with your Cricut. But this will fit this size frame, so this shouldn't take any time to cut out. It's scanning it right now. And I cannot believe, like I said earlier, that I lost those pieces for my DIY. Hold on, Maggie has something. Maggie thought she'd say hi just for a minute. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Say I'm right down here in the floor watching Mommy work. Okay. Okay, we're going to unload it with the blinking arrow. This could not get any easier. Then we're just going to take this off. And we're going to get our little frame here. Make sure that I have it so it can hang if I decide to hang it. I don't know that I will. And then when you use the washi setting, this is how I make my stickers. It just peels right off, okay? And then all you have to do is just put this right down in here. Okay, let's take a look at it. Okay, here it is. I think this is adorable. You can paint the frame or not. It really doesn't matter. Like I said, they have 2 different backgrounds to choose from. I think this is so cute. It's such an easy little DIY that you can make with a Cricut or without. So I will see you on Tuesday for another Dollar Tree DIY. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So until next time, bye guys.